If you advertise on TikTok, a new feature is about to arrive that could completely revolutionize campaigns on the platform. It's called TikTok Shop, a new functionality that allows users to shop directly on the platform and sellers to manage the entire sales process from the Seller Center. With this option, any user can complete the entire purchase process, including payment, without leaving the app, as there's no redirection involved. In this video, we're going to tell you everything you need to know about TikTok Shop and how to make the most of it to boost your sales. Let's get started. TikTok Shop is currently available in some countries like the United States and will soon be expanding to other countries. To give you an idea of its scale, TikTok Shop in the US generated an estimated $517 million in revenue in May of 2024 alone, which would amount to about $6 billion annually in that country. As you can see, TikTok Shop represents a true revolution in the world of e-commerce and digital marketing because the shopping experience is completely different, integrating entertainment with online shopping. But how does TikTok Shop work and why is it so groundbreaking? If you use TikTok Shop as a brand, you can sell your products in 3 different ways. First, with in-feed videos. In the videos you can post on the platform, you can add product tabs so users can purchase the item directly from the content. These videos will appear on your profile, in the Shop tab, and on the Home section. In the Showcase tab. The Showcase tab is integrated into each seller's profile and is shown with a shopping bag icon. This section can display all the products you offer on TikTok Shop, some products from an e-commerce site, or various products from different platforms. On Live, you can add product purchase tabs to your live stream so viewers can buy items during the broadcast. This is a great tool because your audience can see how the product works in real time. Moreover, with TikTok Shop, brands also have access to various ad tools. These allow you to promote posts with a product button or create and promote such posts from scratch. Additionally, by joining TikTok Shop, you'll also have access to analytics, performance tools, and understand how your transactions are performing. It also includes one interesting feature, the affiliate program, which lets you collaborate with content creators on your product post. What's the difference between TikTok Shop and the Showcase? Earlier we mentioned the Showcase tab, but did you know that you can have one on your profile without joining TikTok Shop? Brands with TikTok Shop will also be able to showcase their products, but having a Showcase tab doesn't necessarily mean you're registered with TikTok Shop. If you only choose to display your products in the Showcase, you'll need to configure your product ads differently, and the list of products you can advertise will change. This option is often chosen by profiles that sell third-party products with the consent of the owners. Why would you want to sell on TikTok Shop? Because 43% of the profiles followed on TikTok are brands. This shows that users of this social network don't shy away from corporate content, especially those under 24. The sectors that perform best on TikTok Shop are fashion, beauty, and health. So if your brand belongs to these areas, the social network is a great place to develop your e-commerce strategy. Additionally, TikTok offers sellers a wealth of tools to attract users, such as personalized virtual storefronts, and to facilitate the entire sales process from within the platform with options like advanced logistics and a payment platform. In short, TikTok Shop is a great opportunity for sellers to increase their sales and streamline the entire shopping process for their customers, potentially becoming another sales channel for brands. Finally, let's see how you can activate TikTok Shop. To start using TikTok Shop, you'll need to sign up at the Seller Center, the platform where you'll manage all your shopping actions. You can register using your social media account, your Google account, or by entering your phone number. After registering and logging in, you'll need to set up the pickup address, meaning the location of your store's warehouse, and a contact person's name. Provide a phone number, enter the return address for products, and finally, you must accept the terms and conditions and click Start Business. Once you've completed this first phase, it's time to provide certain documentation so the platform can verify that you comply with current regulations. To do this, follow these steps. From the Seller Center homepage, select the Verified Documents option and click Upload Documents. Choose your type of business in the Seller Information section. Add the store name. Depending on whether you're a sole proprietorship or a corporation, you'll need to upload different documents. Once you've uploaded the required documents to the site, click Submit. Now your application will be pending approval and you'll need to wait 2 to 3 days for a response, either positive or negative. If the platform approves your application, the next step is to link your bank account to your store so you can receive sales payments and process returns. You can do this from the Seller Center homepage by selecting Link Bank Account and then Link Account. Once you've completed this final step, you'll be ready to start uploading items to your store. Each product you upload to the Seller Center must meet certain requirements which vary depending on your location. Products that don't meet these criteria will be rejected, so make sure yours comply. We also recommend that once you finish this process, you set up TikTok Shop ads in the Seller Center so that users can shop directly through an ad. If you want to keep learning about TikTok and its ad platform, check out this video where we explain how to promote your business on TikTok. Thanks for watching and see you next time.